Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You have got a very excited little Wendy coming to you from Narberth in Pembrokeshire, Wales, and I've had a delivery. Woohoo! So, I thought, because I have actually forgotten what I ordered, so I thought we'd do a little unboxing together. Now, this is the... What's this one called? Fine Arts Floral Designer Series paper. So you got that one, and I have the other one here just now. All right, here. Right, and that's the stamp set that goes with it. Beautiful. It's like double two-step stamping. You got this. I got it. Right, you've got this one first, which obviously does the darker edges, and you got this one that does the lighter one. You stick one on top of the other. I don't want to open it all too much because this is as a present for a friend. You've got stuff there. Oh, I wonder if we can do it like that. The orange, we can. The wonders of modern technology. Right, then you've got that blue there, and then there's that one, and that one. Then, oh come on, what I've had to do, I've had to put both boxes into one box, otherwise it would have been bedlam on here. Then that's the next one. So that's sort of a greeny bluey colour. And the other side of that, you've got all those beautiful papers. And I'm trying to do these two at a time, so that you get two sheets of the same paper. Right, so then you got that one. It's got like little beads, like, see what I mean? They look like beads. You know the bead curtains you used to get? One of those. Yes, I am old enough to know about bead curtains. We won't say any more then. Right, then there's that, the other side of the bead curtain, which is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then the final one is, right, we've got that, which is beautiful. I don't know whether I go with this, but I don't know, it's growing on me, as they say. There's no pun in thought over there. And then that's the other side of that one that I just showed you. Right, so that's one out the way, and that'll be on my way to my friends now in the next few days. Right, what I'm doing is I've got some old these, hold on, I'll show you. Right, I've got some of these old ink pads, which, oh, I've got to stop doing that. Every time I get something out of my unit, the camera goes all funny. Now, this was the old style ones, and you had to open it by going like that. Oh, I did it without getting my... But these ones work slightly different. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to show you now. It depends if I... Right, this one is Clips of Coral. Now you'll have to... Excuse me if the door goes, but I am waiting. A new kettle. My one has gone really... Right, with this one, you just open it like that. And the good thing about these Stampin' Nip pads are, when you store them, you're like storing the ink upside down, so the ink is always on the top piece of spongy bits. What's a sponge? It's, I can't remember what it is now. So I've got Calypso Coral, Balmy Blue, and Petal Pink. And I've got another 6, I think, to get, and then I'll have all of the Stampin' Up colours, including the, whatever, yeah, you know, the ink colours for the 2 years. And then I got this. Isn't this beautiful? I was thinking with this one now, what I could do. Yes, you know, one of those, oh, where's it gone? Ah, there it is. Right, one of these. And what you do then is, you see, you put this. So you put your paper on first, okay? And the paper will go, say, like that. Then you get the stamp and you stamp it there, okay? Then you turn it, and then you stamp it there. Turn it, stamp it there. You get my meaning. You can have a full doily, and I did particularly like these colours, not colours, black and white, you silly moo. I like these flowers as well. They're open, and you know, you can do a little bit with them as far as shading. You know, some flowers I find a bit too small to do them with, and then you got these lovely flowers, these petals rather. And it's thank you for, oh sorry, it's called Delicate Petals. Thank you for your kindness, for you. I'm so happy you're my friend. Sometimes something wonderful happens to someone who absolutely deserves every good thing. Yes, now that's the free ones. Oh, oops. Right, oops, no, that's more. That can go away. These are on the clearance rack. And they are, what do they call them? Tropical elements. Little buttons. And I've got a thing about buttons, and I collect buttons. Doesn't surprise you, does it? I suppose these ones here then, because they're not actually button, you could use them as the leaf to that button then. Something like that in any case. I'll put that back before it all goes on. Now come on, play nicely with Wendy now. Right. Oh, this is done for a bit. Oh, can you see all that there? Yeah. No, I can't see down. Oh, ah. Right, this one is called Basket of Blooms. And well, you know me and flowers. If there's a flower or a butterfly to be had, Wendy's got it, or Wendy has to have it. So this is going to be lovely, because you can put your I think these are called trugs, if I remember rightly. And if you're very clever with some of the masking sheets, you can actually put these in there in an order, and you take the masking sheet off. Because what you do, you'll stamp down there, so say that stalk will come down there, and then you stamp it, and that's all you see is the stalk of the little flower. So they're lovely, the nice sizes too, that trug, and the vase, the vase, I don't know which one, what do you say? Oh, snail it, here we go. I did have an hour about getting this, but when I saw him, I don't know, any of you watch SpongeBob SquarePants? Well, he had a snail pal, and his snail pal, oh crumbs, I'm going to get it all wrong now, aren't I? What was his snail pal? I'll have a think and then I'll let you know, but he had this snail pal, and he fed it and all sorts every day, I don't know. But that's lovely, because you've got the dotties and the little speech bubbles that you can put over here, and hello, you snailed it. And happy mailing club. And I think I'm going to use that quite a bit, that's that one. Right. Oh, these are the... Ah, right, these are the dies I've been waiting for. Now, I don't buy many dies, because I do have a scan and cut. And so, you know, I save money on dies. And buy stamps, obviously. Now these, I wasn't going to get these, like I said, because I've got the cut and boss. But that one and that one, I think. Oh, Forever Fern, here we go. Now with these, I could have easily cut these out. Well, I have cut them out with the Scan and Cut. But as you can see, one of them does not match any of these. So you've got that one and that one as an extra. That one and all these little ones, as you can see, these ones that just got the outlines, those I can cut out, no problem. But you got all these extra little bits, and yes, I'm very excited to get that. So I'd forgotten all about that. I'd ordered that actually. Oh well. Oh right, so there's those ones. Yeah. If you have got Scan and Cut, or one of them, you've got Silhouettes and Cricket and all sorts, have a look, because, like I said, with these round, right, so here we've got dies for the stamps, and these are the dies for not the stamps, so we haven't got any stamps to go with them, but because they're foliage, then it doesn't matter. But that's a good thing to start looking at when you're buying them. Mind you, I have also bought a load of ooh, what's this? Oh, I'm going to keep that to the end. What's that? Oh, yes, now then, we've got butterflies. I've got a nice little window. Well, it's in the window. It reminds me of the frame that my gran and granddad had above the fireplace. I don't know. There's all sorts of... it's Ruth, I think I've seen using this. And, you know, Ruth being Ruth obviously does sing perfectly wonderful. That's Ruth from Artful Stamping. She does wonderful one-sheet wonders. And... because here you see, you've got that stamp, but then you've got this to colour it in. That one and that one, that one and that one. So you can actually colour them all in with just one blob, splodge, shape, whatever it's called. Oh, I'm not doing very well today, am I? Right, this one, Forever and Always. Now, I got this one. Yes, I could have cut that out to my Scan and Cut very nicely, but no, I didn't. What I could have done, I'm blabbing again, I'll say, oh well, never mind. I got this because I liked it. We'll say that. I like the little words that they say here. And you got love you so very much, or always love you so very much. And you can mix and match all the sayings to that. Now this one, this was a freebie. Every year, I think it's twice a year, Stamp Me Up do something called Celebration, and you get rewards for well, this was one reward. It's a pack of 45 cards. Not cards, yeah, well, it is cards, but like backing cards. So you get, there's two what do you call it, two grades, you know, there's a £45 one, which you get these and some other, you get stamps and all sorts. And then I saved up all my orders, and I did a little bit extra just to get this. Now this is wonderful. I mean, I've seen this one done up, and it's just incredible. And you've got two sets again, look. So you've got that bit there, that when you put it in the right place, we'll stamp that. And then you've got that one there, you can still see that. That one there, you can stamp. Actually, the best thing for me to do, apart from shut up and go away, is, right, you stamp that, then you got that one. This one goes onto that one goes onto that one goes onto that one. And then you've got these little splidgy splodges. I've yet to learn how to do those splidgy splodges, but there's always time. And then it's got hello friend, love, hope, thinking of you, best wishes, thank you so much. And it's nice to have a thank you so much. A lot of nowadays they put thanks, you know, probably because I'm a bit older, but thanks to me is too flippant a word if you're really thanking somebody. for giving you something. Right, so there we are. That's my little haul for today. I do have another one coming, which, knowing me, it'll probably arrive tomorrow. All right, so thank you very much, and sorry for blabbing on, and I shall see you again soon. Bye.